What's up everyone, it's your name back with another video. And we're talking tech, specifically your phone. Today we're diving deep into a world most people don't even know exists on their phones. We're talking 10 apps, 10 ways to unlock a whole new level of tech knowledge. So if you're ready to see your phone in a whole new light, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. First up, we're talking Termux. Think of it as your phone's secret weapon, a gateway to a world of possibilities. Termux is a terminal emulator, a way to talk directly to your phone's operating system. With Termux, you're not just using apps anymore, you're controlling the core of your device. We're talking installing Linux packages, running scripts, the whole 9 yards. It's like turning your Android phone into a full-fledged hacking machine. Want to test your website security with penetration testing tools? Termux has got your back. Need to analyze network traffic on the fly? Termux can do that too. But here's the thing, with all that power comes a bit of a learning curve. Subscribe so you don't miss our future video on basic Termux commands. Next up, we're diving into the world of remote access with AndroRAT. Remember, we're all about ethical hacking here. Remote access tools like AndroRAT have legitimate uses. Ever lost your phone and wished you could access it remotely to wipe your data? Or maybe you need to troubleshoot a tech issue for a friend or family member who's miles away. Essentially, it lets you remotely control an Android device. We're talking accessing files, managing apps, even turning on the camera or microphone. But remember, using AndroRAT to access someone's device without their explicit permission is a big no-no. We're talking serious privacy violation here, and potentially even illegal activity. So yeah, use this one ethically, folks. Alright, moving on to something a little different. Ever wondered how secure your Wi-Fi network really is? Well, with zANTI, you don't have to wonder anymore. This app is like having a personal security audit team at your fingertips. zANTI is packed with features that let you scan your network for vulnerabilities. We're talking identifying connected devices, analyzing their security posture, even testing for common exploits. It's like having X-ray vision for your Wi-Fi. The app provides detailed reports and visualizations that break down complex security concepts in a way that's easy to understand. So, whether you're a seasoned security pro or just starting out, zANTI can help you beef up your network security. Just remember, like all the tools we're discussing today, use zANTI responsibly. Stick to your own network or get explicit consent before you start poking around someone else's. Chapter 4. Hackode. Hacking for beginners. Not everyone watching this is a tech whiz. Some of you are just starting out on your ethical hacking journey. That's where Hackode comes in. Think of it as the perfect gateway drug to the world of hacking. It's designed with beginners in mind, with a clean, intuitive interface that won't leave you feeling overwhelmed. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Hackode packs a punch. We're talking network scanning tools, exploit databases, security feeds, all the essentials you need to start exploring the world of ethical hacking. And the best part? Hackode is constantly updated with new tools and features. Just remember, even though Hackode makes hacking accessible, it's still important to use it ethically and responsibly. Chapter 5, cSploit. Advanced Hacking Unlocked. If you've got some hacking experience under your belt and you're ready for something a little more advanced, cSploit is calling your name. This app is like the big brother of Hackode. It's still focused on network security, but it dives much deeper, giving you a level of control that's almost unheard of on a mobile device. We're talking about sniffing network traffic, identifying vulnerabilities in real time, even injecting packets to manipulate data flows. But here's the catch. cSploit isn't for the faint of heart. You'll need a solid understanding of networking concepts, and some familiarity with command line tools wouldn't hurt either. Just remember, the same rules apply. Stick to testing your own networks or systems you have explicit permission to access. With great power comes great responsibility, right? Chapter 6. Network Mapper. Map your digital world. Ever wondered what your network really looks like? Network Mapper, or Nmap as it's known in the hacking world, is like giving your network a digital X-ray. It's a powerful tool that lets you see every device connected to your network. But Nmap doesn't just show you what's connected, it gives you a detailed breakdown of each device. We're talking IP addresses, open ports, operating systems, even the services running on each device. It's like having a complete inventory of your digital world. Nmap is a crucial tool for ethical hacking and penetration testing, By understanding what's on your network and how it's configured, you can identify potential vulnerabilities and secure your systems against attacks. Chapter 7. DroidSheep, Master of Wi-Fi. Let's talk about Wi-Fi security, or, well, the lack thereof. Public Wi-Fi networks are basically a hacker's playground, and that's where DroidSheep comes in. This app is designed to demonstrate just how vulnerable those open Wi-Fi networks really are. DroidSheep lets you intercept and analyze network traffic on a Wi-Fi network. With DroidSheep, you can see what websites people are visiting, what data they're sending, even their login credentials if they're not using HTTPS. It's a stark reminder that on an unsecured network, your data is basically up for grabs. DroidSheep is a tool for education and awareness. So, next time you're about to connect to that free Wi-Fi at the coffee shop, remember DroidSheep? Chapter 8. Nmap, the network's deep scanner. We've already talked about Nmap, or Network Mapper, but trust me, this tool is so powerful it deserves a second look. Nmap isn't just for mapping your network, it's also a crucial tool for penetration testing. With Nmap, you can scan your network for open ports, identify the services running on those ports, and even fingerprint the operating systems of connected devices. This information is like gold for ethical hackers, as it allows them to identify potential weaknesses in your network security. Nmap isn't just about finding vulnerabilities, it's also about understanding them. The tool provides detailed reports and analysis that can help you understand the severity of each vulnerability and prioritize your security efforts. So, if you're serious about ethical hacking and penetration testing, Nmap is an absolute must-have. Chapter 9. Wi-Fi Analyzer, Finding Your Wi-Fi Zen. The Wi-Fi is acting up, you're getting lag spikes, and you have no idea why. Well, before you throw your router out the window, check out Wi-Fi Analyzer. This app is like having a Wi-Fi guru in your pocket. It gives you a real-time view of your Wi-Fi environment, showing you all the nearby networks, their signal strengths, and even the channels they're using. Wi-Fi Analyzer helps you identify the least congested channels, so you can switch your router to a clearer channel and enjoy faster, more reliable Wi-Fi. By understanding your Wi-Fi environment, you can identify potential security risks, like rogue access points or weak signal areas where attackers could be eavesdropping on your traffic. So, whether you're a gamer looking for that competitive edge or just want to browse the web without buffering, Wi-Fi Analyzer is a must-have tool. Chapter 10. Fing, your network detective. And last but not least, we have Fing, the network detective you never knew you needed. This app is like a combination of all the best features we've talked about today. It's got network scanning, device identification, port analysis, even internet speed tests, all rolled into one sleek and easy-to-use package. Fing has a massive database of known devices and vulnerabilities, all crowdsourced from users like you and me. This means that when you scan your network with Fing, you're not just getting information from your own device. You're tapping into the collective knowledge of millions of users around the world. But Fing isn't just about identifying threats, it's also about understanding them. The app provides detailed reports and analysis that can help you understand the severity of each vulnerability and take steps to mitigate the risk. So, if you're looking for a comprehensive, easy-to-use, and community-driven network security tool, look no further than Fing. So, there you have it. 10 apps that can transform your phone into a hacking powerhouse. From terminal emulators to network scanners, these tools can give you an unprecedented level of control over your digital world. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech deep dives, and let me know in the comments which app you're most excited to try. Until next time, stay curious, stay ethical, and keep on hacking.